What you want to do is just pull it back and then unplug it. And you're going to keep it unplugged for about 2 minutes. It's going to completely shut it down. And when you plug it back in, you'll hear the compressor turn back on. And hopefully that will start cooling it. If for some reason you don't have the ability to unplug it or to pull it out, you can go to the electric box in your home and just shut the power off in your kitchen and shut it off that way and leave it off for 2 minutes and then turn it back on. Give it 24 hours to see if it'll cool back, start cooling again. If it doesn't cool, then you probably have a power supply problem and you'll have to call somebody to repair it or get you another refrigerator. Unfortunately, a lot of these LGs have this problem made within the last 10 years, 2010 to 2020. As a matter of fact, there was a lawsuit against LG and was victorious, suing them because models from 2014 to 2017 were really having this problem, and they made a settlement for you can get up to $450 per person. Now, I don't know if that lawsuit's still the case, if you could still apply for the money, but it's definitely worth doing. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description to show you where you could see if you can get that money. If you do have a model that's in that range, it will tell you what models that the lawsuit would include. But hopefully this helps your problem with your refrigerator. Alrighty, they don't make things as good as they used to, I don't think. Alright, thanks, and please subscribe.